All right, these are the elevators at the Hampton Inn and Suites. Keystone at the crossing in Indianapolis, Indiana, up on the north side. Gen2. JK. Well, here are 5. Let's go down to 2, because these are a bit near the front desk. These are pretty nice. I like the cab. These run pretty well. Cray. You get it, that's a crayfish right there. Let's go back up to 5. This thing's pretty quick. You get a pretty nice view out here. There's the Marriott, and there's part of the lake. Pretty nice property. Door close does not work. LOL. Hampton and their logos. This one's pretty sus. Yeah, that sounds sus. I don't know what the heck that was, but that was something all right. There it goes. That'll be it.